Hello, eClassroom students and families. I wanted to create this video to hopefully guide you and make things a little bit more clear of what your expectations are. I'm going to start by going over the daily attendance. I'll be using my Schoology screen as an example. Yours will look different than this because you will have each of your classes within Schoology. Here I have all of my English classes. But you will log on, you will find your homeroom or citizenship, and you will click on that. Within this folder, there is a daily attendance. It is your requirement that every school day you are checking in with the daily attendance. You have from 8 o'clock in the morning till 3 in the afternoon to do that. My suggestion would be to make it part of your morning routine. When you get up in the morning, brush your teeth, get ready for your day, do your daily attendance. That way you're not going to forget. Even if you're not going to start your schoolwork first thing in the morning, it's a good idea to make that part of your morning routine. So you'll open this folder. And for each day, you will see the daily attendance. So today is September 1st. You would click on this. It's real short, 2 questions. Are you here? And I think it asks about how you're feeling for the day. Once you complete that, your homeroom teacher will be able to see that you've checked in and will mark you present for the day. If you do not do your daily attendance, unfortunately, you will be marked absent. So please, please, please make sure that that is part of your daily routine. Secondly, you are able to come into homeroom each day. There is a Zoom link that will be posted. Mine is from 8:15 to 8:30. That will give you an opportunity to hear the morning announcements and hear what is going on in school. Next, I want to go over the eClassroom folder. So I'm going to use mine as an example. If you happen to be in my period 2, you would click on here. If not, you would click in whichever Schoology folder you are a part of. The important thing for English, and English is the only class that is like this. There are 2 teachers. You have 2 English classes. So you need to make sure that you are clicking on both of these folders. Right? It will count as 1 grade. I misspoke there. It actually is 1 class with 2 teachers. So you will need to make sure you are checking in the Gets folder as well as in the Downy folder. But I'll use my folder as an example. When you open this up, the only folder you will see is the eClassroom because that is the folder that is assigned to you. You are not part of the A to L hybrid or the M to Z, so those will not even be visible. Once you open this up, you will see the Gets office hours. Those office hours are optional except for this Friday when we are doing our Zoom picture. You can go back into the assignment sheet to see what that's all about if you were not able to make the meeting yesterday. But after that, the office hours are for questions that you may have. Even if you want to just pop in and say, hey, Mrs. Getz, can you check that I completed all my assignments for the week? I want to make sure that I did what I need to do. I will be available during that time. Let me jump down here as well. I put this down at the bottom because this does not start for about 2 weeks. The Monday check-in, this is mandatory. This is where I will be going over your assignments for the week. I will be explaining anything that you need to know. Those do not start until the 14th. Next week is Labor Day, so it is a non-school day, so we will not have the Monday check-in. Now, I have here from 12 to 12:20. This is only for my period 2, so you need to make sure that you are checking your folder. Let me bring that up here. That's not the one that I want. Oops, sorry guys, bear with me here for 1 minute. This is the one that I wanted. I'll leave this up here for a minute, so if you need to pause the video, you can see where your Zoom check-in will be. So you will basically be checking in from 12 o'clock until 3:15. 12 to 12:20 is your period 2. So if you're in my period 2, you'll be checking in with me. If you happen to be with Mr. Downey during that period, you will be checking in with him. And all of those Zoom links will be in that particular teacher's folder. Going back to Schoology, you will see week number 1. Okay, here I have a little watch first video where I've gone over some of these same things. The week number 1 to-do list, some team building activities, a Flipgrid assignment, and a creative writing paragraph. That is for Getz's English class. You need also then to check Downey and check all of your other classes. Okay, week 2, I will make a video to explain this as well. But this is where your week 2 assignments will be for the following week, the week of September 8th. I hope this helps to clarify things. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out at any point. You can email me as the team leader. If it's a general question, if it is a science-specific question, you will email Mr. Khalifi. If it's a math-related question, you'll email Mrs. Leafy. But a general question, please don't hesitate to reach out.